Brother. Today I am in the park. Now I am on the monkey bars.
Are you monkey?
Whoa. Can you bring my shoes to here?
Oh, after speaking.
Okay.
Anything more?
Yes. My brother Booster is on the slide.
I see. Where's Buddha?
There.
Why do you come here?
Because I want to have some fun.
You want to escape from social media,
Yes.
from telephone.
Yeah, from the phone. Yes.
What happens if you play phone all day? Better?
I would feel nothing.
It will spoil your head, spoil your brain. Okay, thank you.